up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Katrina, or K Beauty Shine, here on YouTube. In today's video, of course, as you can see from the thumbnail, from the title, I am going to be showing you guys finally how to do this braid. I put a poll on Instagram and I asked you guys if you wanted me to film this look, and the majority of you guys said yes. So here it is. I hope you guys like it, which I'm sure you guys do because you guys wanted the tutorial. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do at K Beauty Shine. But I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'm going to show you how to do this super cute braid that I hope you rock. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, the mic is on. Let's get it. So before anything, make sure that your hair is untangled. I'm just untangling my hair, brushing out all my curls. So right now I have a nice big juicy fro that's ready to be braided, and then I'm just pushing my hair all to one side. You can choose either side to do it if you want the braid to lie on your right side or to lay on your left side. It's all up to you. Then I'm applying the Aunt Jackie's gel, which I used this before in a previous hair tutorial, but you can use anything you like just to sleek it. Now let's begin to braid. So if you don't know how to braid, the best way that I can explain to you on how to create a braid is basically creating a braid is just a crisscross and using the middle piece as your guide. So to start off, you're just going to part your hair into 3 pieces and you're going to crisscross and use the middle piece as your guide, like I just said. I know that on this angle right now, it's not really allowing you to see what I'm doing, but as I continue to create the braid, you will get to see exactly what I mean when I say crisscross. Make sure that in this tutorial, you're paying attention to my hand movements and seeing the motion. Keep in mind that the key to this braid is to make sure that it's laying nicely on one side. So the way that you're going to do this is, as you're braiding your hair, you want to make sure that you're braiding it towards your face and braiding it towards your ear so that you have that nice appearance of a side crown braid. And don't forget that as you keep on braiding, keep adding hair as you go and not forgetting the pieces on the back of your head. For those who are still confused, let's do it one more time. Alright, again. Parting your hair into 3 sections. Making sure that you're doing a crisscross motion using the middle piece as your guide. The whole time you're going to take the 3 sections, crisscross, crisscross, middle piece as your guide. Do not forget to keep adding hair as you go and make sure you're creating the braid towards your face so that all the hair that's in the back, it's all coming forward and laying nicely on one side. Let's do it. Now here's a tip. To make your hair look thicker, what I like to do, even though my hair is already thick and the braid probably already looks fine to you guys, I do like my braid to look even fuller. So all you have to do is just tug on a bit of the pieces, stretching it out so that it's not so tight. and that way it can make it look more jumbo and full, and it looks like a really nice braid. You can actually see more of the definition. The last step is just securing your braid. So I like to use these Goody elastic bands and I just wrap it around. Then I'm going to just fix my baby hairs, and that is it. You have your side jumbo braid. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys find this video super helpful. I hope you find it easy to do. It's actually a really easy hairstyle to do if you know how to braid your hair. I hope that this tutorial is helpful, as I said. I usually do this style super quick. It doesn't take me a very long time at all, but practice does make perfect. So if you don't get it right the first few times, don't be so hard on yourself. Just keep trying, keep replaying my video. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.